dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a secret.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do 2 puff balls in my head. This is pretty much my go-to hairstyle, but as you see I have 2 ponytail holders, bobby pins. Then I will use a little to make it a little cute, adding some colorful clip ends, bring it back. Then I will use jam. Usually I will use my Echo style, the one in the black with the black top, but I don't have any, so I'm using gel. Then I'm using hair food, which is pretty much to help my hair grow, and I put that on my scalp. And I use edge wax for my edges. Normally most of the edge wax that I use really don't lay down my edges, but I mean, I have to do what I gotta do. So as you can see, I am just putting the oil on my scalp right there. I'm gonna rub it in. I had this hairstyle in for like 2 weeks, and I wanted to redo it. So yeah, so it's already parted. So I just parted it in half. So yeah, so I just rub that oil in my scalp so my scalp would not be dry. So next, I like to divide my hair just in case I don't want to brush like my one side of my hair to the other side of my ponytail. So I just put it one side in the ponytail and have like a little clip for the back, so when I'm brushing my hair it doesn't get the wrong pieces pretty much. So I get my jam. First I get a brush. I get a hard brush. I like to wet my brush as well. I wet it before. I wet my brush. But yeah, as you can see, I'm putting the jam in. Make sure it's slick. You gotta make sure the hair is slick back. Then I get my brush and I put water in it and I brush my hair. And I put the gel all over pretty much the back, the sides, front, gotta brush everywhere. So now I am putting my hair in the ponytail. Yes, gotta make sure it's slick. I try not to do it super tight, but I definitely like pull. As you can see, I'm gonna pull my hair to make it a little tight, but I don't really like wrap the rubber band, the scrunchie around a lot of times. So yeah, so normally my hair is like, I have like parts where some hair is longer than the other, so I like to wrap that around my hair and put a bobby pin so it can stay in place. As you can see, I am just picking it a little bit to make it more fuller. So yeah, as you can see, I'm about to wrap the long piece around my hair. So yeah, so it can be an even puff ball. I would normally just use about 2 bobby pins and that's it. So yeah, and that's how I do that. So I pretty much going to do the same thing on the other side. So yeah.
We must pay homage to him.
Now I'm going to be using my edge wax and do my edges. I'm not a big fan of edges. I'm sorry. Like, it takes a lot of time for me to like definitely do my edges, but I think I did a pretty decent job with this hairstyle, you know. But yeah, so I'm just slicking them a swoop. So yeah, I don't really like to do too much. So yeah, I just really do like the simple, you know. So pretty much I use my comb and my finger to make like the swoop. So once I am done with that, I just like to add a little colorful clip in just to make my hair look a little colorful and pop in. You know what I'm saying? Bringing it back. So yeah, so I add two clips in the front, different colors, you know, gotta be different. And yeah, that's pretty much how I do my hairstyle. This is like damn near my everyday hairstyle. I always wear this hairstyle when I don't want to do anything else to it, you know, so I just do this. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when your girl post more videos. And if you like more videos like this, just let me know in the comments section. I definitely will do more hairstyles tutorials. See you later, guys.